Hello, in front of me I have PolarVantageV, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode. First, we need to swipe down from the top of the screen to open the shortcut panel or quick panel, and here we can swipe left and right to scroll through the list of options or icons, find the flight mode icon, this is the airplane mode, and tap on it to enable the mode. Once you tap on it, the icon should change the color, and also it should say on it. This means that the airplane mode is enabled. Also on the main home screen you will see the airplane mode icon. And if you want to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel again, tap on the icon to disable it, like this. You can also turn on the airplane mode via the settings, so you can press the back button to open the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon, tap on it, and settings, I believe tap on general settings, and here you can scroll down, find the flight mode, tap on it, then tap on to enable it, and to disable it, tap on the flight mode and tap on off, like that. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and disable the airplane mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.